Warning: this is not an instructional video. Attempting to do this repair could lead to property damage, physical harm, or death. I've had a 2022 Ford Lightning for about 4 months now, and the other day, when I went to fast charge it, I discovered that it no longer would fast charge. I tried 3 different stations, one of them being this Tesla supercharger. It was while using the supercharger adapter that I was able to more distinctly hear what sounded like an issue with the actuator that locks the charge connector. After a few conversations at the local Ford dealership and some internet research, I wasn't particularly confident that the dealership would resolve the issue in a timely or cost-effective manner, so I thought that I'd go ahead and just order the part and replace it myself to see if that resolved the issue. It ended up being about $53, all said and done.
I don't know if these are broken or not. Didn't seem like it sounded at all.
I have to give a shout out to Tom Malogny over at the State of Charge YouTube channel. He broke the charge port door on his F150 Lightning and made a video about installing the new one, and that was definitely helpful to have seen it done.
Tape, eh?
During the replacement of this part, I did not disconnect the 12-volt battery, and as seen here, I did not check for high voltage before beginning the repair. Though these components should not have been energized to begin with, it would have been a better idea to have done that. The charge lock actuator is held in place with 2 screws. It also has an electrical connection and a cable to manually be able to unlock the charge connector.
Alright, let's have a look at these. Oh no! So this one's the old one in my left hand. Yeah, we'll find out. There's nothing obviously wrong. They do have different numbers on it. This is, if it's going to focus, 2X1G, 2X1J. And looks like there is a... Oh, do they have a version number? I should just take pictures of this. 229-3402-1-2. So yeah, I'd say this is a revised part. Looks like everything's intact. All four of them. This is the older revision, apparently, with some awesome tape. Now for the real moment of truth. Did this get jacked up at all? This fancy schmancy, I don't know.
It can be seen that the charge lock actuator pin is fully seated up against the latch, whereas before there was a gap.
Fast charging, awesome.